Okay, folks, last time that I was here, these things were not available. They were actually down for quite some time. But now that they're up, I'm going to be able to not only address the elephant in the room, but I'm also going to let you be able to get you guys caught up to speed. There is so much to try and go through. Please pay attention. And you can see where I'm at, spaceweatherlive.com, SDO right here, okay, which is where this is. And this is under 171 angstroms, high cadence, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and play this. Now I want you guys to watch. There's actually going to come a time where, oh, you see that? Boom. That is a flare, and there is also coronal mass ejection coming with it. Here, I'm going to back it up so you can see that one more time. Watch. Boom. You see all that? That is a lot of ejecti. You seen how it kind of darkened the surface of the sun? You couldn't see light through it because, I mean, it's dark. That is high density amount of radiation, of plasma, and that's coming right for us. Now, if you start watching, you're going to start seeing more pops. Now, that was on the 24th. See, here's the 25th. Keep a watch. We're going to get an explosion here. Now watch this. Now watch this guy over here. This actually kind of whips around, and look, it's actually coming straight at us. Here's a second wave right here. Boom, that's coming right for the Earth. This is Earth facing. Okay, actually, and there's another one. Boom, and this thing goes off a few times, sending more of it right at us. Okay, now did you see that? Did you see that little blip? What this does is this takes a picture. These satellites take a picture every 12 minutes. And then it puts it together in this little, it's like a GIF, if you will, and it puts it together that way. Look at the surface of the sun, almost right smack in the middle, just north a little bit. You see that? See how it's doing that? That's more coming at us that we don't even see coming. But what they'll do is they'll actually put these little boxes, a little black box, little blink, so that way you can't see what was there. They've been doing that over the last probably 6 months, especially. They've been doing it a lot, but they do it about. They've been doing it slowly about every year. Oh, come on, where did it go? Oh, there it is. See it? Oh, come on. Find it. Where are you? Oh, come on. There you go. What happened right there that they don't want you to see? Okay? Oh, I don't know why I did that. Oh, that's annoying. But you see, I want you to take a look. I'm going to... Uh-oh. Did you guys see that? I just actually went to go pause and it turned it off. Hang on a second. I'll get it back here in just a second. Okay, here back again. It's the 24th. Actually, this time when it bleeps over to the 24th, it actually starts right after this solar flare goes off and throws out ejecti. Not just that way, but Earth facing as well. But you see another one over here. This one here comes around at us, and of course you got the blink right over here. But they do that so you can't see what's happening. See that blink again? They do that. These things happen. If you look at the time here, it's about every 12 minutes is when you get a snapshot. That's when it actually takes the picture. And there are times where sometimes you'll go hours, and there'll just be hours and hours of missing data. And I will show my point here in a little bit. I'm going to show you a few other things first. Okay, here's 193 angstroms. Okay, did you see that? It started off at like 1400. Well, that's when this one had already popped off. This actually popped off at like 6 in the morning UTC time. But now take a watch at the sun again and watch the difference in the flares and the ejecta that comes out. Especially like right here, it's super dark. Oh, there went the flash. Hey, it didn't show it. Where is that at? In fact, it's funny because like NASA, what they call it, a black ink or a black plasma discharge. It's like, no, it's not. So here's some of it going, where did it go? You see all these other ones, it actually didn't show that other one. Let's back this up and take a look again. Hang on a second. Okay, folks, they have actually scrubbed it. When that big one that we saw in the first one kicked off, the one that came off up here, believe it or not, they scrubbed it. They actually started the feed after that one had already hit. Why is that? Because most people come and watch 193 cadence, but we got them. We found it on the other one. Let's see if we can get it on this guy right here. We're going to try this one here, which is 211, then we'll try 304. 304 really shows it. So here's what we'll do. We'll go to 48 hours, 512 by 512, because this is the one that's, well, usually it's a lot longer than that, but, oh, by the way, did you happen to see that? We're gonna do this. Folks, we have over 132 planets in our solar system, by the way. Just in case you didn't know, yes, we have our normal 8 or 9, that, depending on what your generation is, what you grew up. But the European Astronomical Society has actually discovered we have 132 planets in our solar system. We also have a second sun, by the way. It's coming up underneath us. which is why all these storms and volcanoes and earthquakes and fires and all this, that's why all this stuff is happening. And they've known it for decades. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to something. I'm actually going to move this real slow, and you're going to see some form of a planetary-sized rounded object start, and it'll actually blurt the sun. The upper right corner. Watch. I'm moving this real slow. It's hard for and the thing is some people are like, oh, that's too fast to be. Oh, yeah? Well, guess what? Once again, like I've said, these things go 12 minutes between shots. Ooh, oh, gosh, dang it. Come here. Sorry, I'm doing this from my laptop, and it's kind of tricky. Where is it at? Where are you? Oh, okay. Keep an eye on the right, upper right side. There it is. See that? One frame before it. And then there. Oh, whew. It's actually really tricky to get this thing to do this with I'm just using my touchpad. Pretty crazy, huh? Now, look at it's round. And then it goes away. See that? Now, this is only 19 seconds. Now, let's pay attention. You'll actually, boom. Did you see that coming at us? Yeah, that was on the 24th. Now, do you see this darker region here? This is a coronal hole, just like that is. Look how deep that thing is. Oh, there's some more lifting off. There's some more lifting off. Boom, boom, boom. There is a lot coming at us, folks, and this is a lot of wind. Solar winds are going to be coming out of this, which will affect our shields, our electromagnetic shield. It'll actually, if we get hit hard enough by this solar wind, it'll actually peel one of our layers off. And then you're going to have that plasma ejecti and radius behind it. Yeah, folks, we're going to be losing power here. I'm going to once I find another example, I'll show you. Okay, here we are. 304 angstroms. This is where the sun looks red, but here's where you're really going to get an idea of what's going on. Okay, you're going to see an ejecti come out of here, and it's so dense that you can't see light through it. Okay, that is dense. That's how compacted this plasma is, and it's coming for us. Now, this is 19 seconds. It's going to play 2 days worth in 19 seconds. So it's going to go fast, and it's not letting me play the ones that take a minute 30 with the ones that slow it down for you to really take it. It won't play them. So you're getting a drink from a fire hose. Watch this. Boom, you saw that. You saw that the planet come in. Boom. Did you see how dark that was? That's a lot. Now look at this other filament right here. Look at this bad boy. Yeah. You got this one here coming around at us. Boom, 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 boom. You see all that? Boom, boom, boom. There's another one. Do you see that coming off? This is facing us, folks. This is as real as it gets. Okay, here's another one that I really enjoy is the 335. When you have an actual flare, it doesn't matter if it's A, B, C, M, or X. This one at 335 shows the flare itself beautifully. The contrast is phenomenal. Now watch this. Watch right here. Boom. Coming right at us. And then, of course, you saw that. The reason we didn't see it on the one is because they started it up after that thing already came through. And after the flare. Keep an eye out. Watch. Look at all that ejected. There's so much coming at us. People have no idea that this is coming. And this isn't even, these aren't even major ones. An X flare is huge. It goes all the way up to X20. And these are only C class. I'm gonna show you some absorption charts and stuff here in just a second. Okay, this one is my all-time favorite. It always has been, always will be. It shows you so much in contrast. This is angstrom. It's got 211, 193, and 171 angstroms overlapping each other. So it makes it look like this. And it's amazing. The contrast is phenomenal. Now I'm going to go full screen on this. Okay. What the heck is that? That's weird. But here we go. All right. Keep your eyes open. Yep. You saw the sun. Boom. Do you see that? Now watch the surface of the sun itself. You'll see when things move on this through these lenses here, this particular combination, you'll see things move very, very easily. And I do it under 1025 by 1025, which is higher resolution. So you'll really get a good idea of what's going on here. Look at that. Coming at us, coming at us. One pop there. You got another one coming here. Where's that thing at? Oh, it's already at the end. You see that? And the time ended at 16:18. So yeah, did you guys see that? Crazy. Complete craziness. What is going on here? Okay, folks, here I am at the Space Weather Prediction Center.noaa.gov. Okay, this right here, Space Weather Overview. I want you to look at this. We've been at, for an X-ray flux, solar flare, we've been at an between an A and a B. Look at this. And it's been like this for months. Boom, that's a C flare. Right behind it, a bigger C flare. And then a B flare, a B flare, a C flare, a B flare, a B. Between B and C. Between B and C. I mean, come on, folks. Please, please, please start paying attention. I'm gonna show you some other stuff here in just a second. Okay, folks, here we are. I want you guys to watch this. Look at this. This is Earth. Look at this. This is plasma. Bam. When is it happening? 27th. Between the 27th and the 20th. And that is a long plasma. That's a long time to be getting just solid plasma and stuff off the sun. And you've seen that right there. Well, they're also manipulating this so that you don't really see all of the truth. And that's what bugs me more than anything. I mean, these are fixed points. This is the planet. This solar ahead and behind. Stereo ahead, stereo behind. For our satellites for watching, and they watch from the side. Here's LASCO C3. Let's see how. Oh, look at it. It's so fast. Did you see hours that are just missing? Yeah, that's intentional. It should be every 12 minutes. It should be a nice stream, and it's not. You see all the glitches and the blips? Yeah, it's not. And then peppered. Yeah, it's because it is getting peppered by plasma. I'll show you more here in a minute. Okay, this one I can actually control it. The speed. Watch. So we go from, now these are supposed to every 12 minutes. Watch. I'm going to show you. Goes from 1706, 1718. What is that? That's 12 minutes. Okay? Watch this. Come on. 18. Oh, wait a minute. What? From 1718 to 2330. How many hours is that? What happened in between that time? 2330? Oh, look at that. 12 minutes. And then, oh, look. Another 12 minutes. Well, that's 12 minutes. It's doing all right. It's getting there. We're good. 30, yeah, we're good. 42, we're good. 54, yeah, it's doing it right. That's how it's supposed to be. Whoa, wait a minute. 130, that's more than 12 minutes. 142, that's 12 minutes right there. Look at all that. Do you see that? That's ejected. That's stuff coming at us. And then 154, that's a little more than 12 minutes. 206, that's good. 218. 906. 218 to 906. What happened in between that time? I mean, look at the sun. You can tell that something happened there. Look at this crap. This is what we're paying for. Our taxpayer money is for this, for them to hide it. Look at that, 918, 930, 942. So it looks like they ended it that way. Oh, but they wanted to block something. Look at this. This is where they're actually beginning a splice. Folks, and it's like that on both. Both models are that way. Look at that. It jumps. Do you see that? So something happened they don't want us to see. Folks, be prepared. This is the last thing I'm going to show you, folks. Here I am at ISWA, okay? You can see the website up here. Google it. Hit pause. Okay, I want you to watch this. You guys see this? This is the density right here. See this coming? There's two of them. There's the first one that's colored and then the other one that's got the black line. It's not outlining it because if you look, there's no outline. There's nothing inside of it. It's not outlining a damn thing. That right there is dense plasma. I'm going to show you right here. You can see the colors in the first one's, yellow, green and yellow, and there's some red in it. It's telling you how many centimeters cubed the density of the radiation there is. You see that black line? Two of them. Boom, boom. It's 60. It doesn't get any darker than that. Okay, that's dense. I mean, you can look right here. This is what it is. Parameter density. That's plasma. That is severe radiation. Folks, that is going to completely affect our electromagnetic field. It can absolutely wipe it out. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3 of them. Boom, boom, boom. That can absolutely take out electromagnetic field, take down all power. We could have a problem, folks. We could have a real problem. People, stock up on food and water for this weekend. And our sun is not done yet. She's actually at the low end of this cycle. It's going to get worse. Okay, get food, get water, toiletries. Please take care of people. Please get the things that you need. And I've heard on other back channels, I've been hearing from other channels that, they're expecting it this weekend. And I'm not talking about weather channels. I'm talking about government stuff. That's why everybody's going into place. The military's getting crazy right now. Pay attention.